Here we go with the URF Cooking Set one-handed unboxing bonanza. Except, I already opened the main box. Here's what comes in it. You get this Riot Games merch number 3. You're making a splash, of course. Renekton says no running. Pretty nice. Cool. That's what we're here for. This bad boy contains a spatula, apron, and a cloth. Okay. It's pretty cool. Care for instruction of apron. No dishwasher or microwave. Do not microwave your apron or put it in the dishwasher. Thank you, Riot Games. Maintenance. Do not wash the spatula with a metal object. Okay. Do not hard beat the spatula. Do not hard beat the spatula. It's right there. Do not place the handle of the spatula at the edge of a heated pot. Please wash and dry the spatula after use. Please use the cloth in the set to wipe the spatula. Oh. Store in a clean, dry, and dark place at room temperature. Alright. I'm still wondering about that hard beating it and microwaving and dishwashing your apron. But I guess they know their player base very well. They know that we're not the brightest. So we'll get into this with one hand. Maybe. All this plastic. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah, we could go on about how glorious the cardboard is. We're not gonna. Comes apart and holy cow. That's what we're here for. That's what we want. That's the cloth. Holy, that thing is super heavy. And an apron. All right, this is the cool thing, man. Let's open that up. Oh, I almost don't want to touch it. Maybe I should only touch it with the cloth. Should get some gloves. Woo! It is hefty. You can see do not hard beat the spatula. But man, it's thick. It's gold, it's shiny. I like that. That's a lot better than I expected, honestly. And the apron, for what it's worth. I'm not an apron connoisseur, but I am possibly a spatula connoisseur, and that was the best I've ever had right there. Apron, here we go. What do we got? All right, just remember you cannot put this in the microwave. You cannot put it in your dishwasher according to the instructions on the box. So don't forget that. It's really important. I don't know, what can I say about the apron? It's got a strap here which you can I guess adjust. Another strap which you can tie on the back, as with any apron, I guess. You've got 2 pockets on the front of it, and materials. What do we got here? Polyester, 80%, 20% Puvilla. I don't know what that is. Is that in French? Yes, it is. 80 polyester, 20% cotton. Okay. Yeah. It's just printed on there. It's nothing crazy. I wouldn't go nuts wearing it. But this bad boy, never to be used for cooking, but to be placed in a frame on the wall near your computer. Pretty great. I like it. Again, that's that.